We'll be discussing now auxiliary boilers. So these are the things that need to look at. The boiler that has certain auxiliary equipments. So fire hazard with that one has fuel supply, fuel storage and handling, and ignition sources. Fire protection side, you have the construction, combustion safeguards, location, containment, and fire detection system, fire suppression system, and mechanical protection. All kind of places you need to have certain fire protection devices. Gas fire piping and valve schematic typical arrangement. So you have the pipe and then you have the valves, and it has different type of valves arrangement. So this is schematic diagram. Okay, you need to be very familiar with this arrangement. So this kind of valve is known as manual cock valves. This is known pressure regulator. This one low gauge pressure switch, and this is for safety shut off valve. Okay, and then you have this one is normally open vane valve, and you have also vane to atmosphere. Okay, this is the valve available. Okay, and in addition to that, you have this arrangement which is for test connection and high gas pressure switch is this one. Okay, so you need to be familiar with all these arrangement. Okay, you need to be able to read all kind of arrangement in the power plant. You need to be able to read the drawing to get a better understanding. On the cooling tower side, you have construction, shell and fill, and exposure side you have to and from. Ignition sources also available. Housekeeping is very important. It need to be clean. Important size and value. Type, okay, induced force and natural type of cooling towers are available. And protection, you can use manual and automatic. Corrosion problem, detection and suppression type of corrosion problems is important and need to look at. So protection for cross flow tower has shown here with a picture. Okay, so air is flowing here, air inlet, and you have the concrete foundation underneath. So heat detector detect the heat. Okay, and you have the heat detector. Okay, over flow drive motor has shown here. Okay, fan motor. Okay, it is driving the fan, and distribution. Okay, this kind of is available, and this part is called fill. Draft eliminator, fill. So many things are available. So you need to be familiar with the cooling tower, with the cross flow tower that has been shown here.